أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So inshallah today we are going to start our lesson number 6 of our this journey into understanding of this glorious Quran. So yesterday we learned how to make mudare from fa'ala. We made yaf'alu, yaf'aluna, taf'alu, taf'aluna, af'alu, naf'alu. Okay. So Hassan, can you repeat this table for fa'ala?
Fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'alna, yaf'alu, yaf'aluna, taf'alu, taf'aluna, af'alu, naf'alu.
Af'alu, naf'alu. Very good. Excellent. Manal, can you do it for jama'a? Jama'a means he gathered. Jama'a, he gathered. Can you do it for jama'a?
Jama'a, jama'u, jama'ta, jama'tum, jama'tu, jama'na, yajma'u, yajma'una, tajma'u, tajma'una, ajma'u, najma'u.
Ajma'u, najma'u. If I say, what is the meaning of yajma'u? Jama, he gathered. He gathers or?
He will gather.
He will gather. Aika, can you do for ja'ala? Ja'ala means he
made.
Made, yeah.
Ja'ala, ja'alu, ja'alta, ja'altum, ja'altu, ja'alna, ja'alu,
Yaj'alu.
yaj'alu, yaj'aluna, taj'alu, taj'aluna, aj'alu, naj'alu.
Aj'alu, naj'alu. Very good, excellent. Aika has done very good job. Similarly, mana'a means he forbade. Hassan, mana means he forbade. If I say mana'ata, what would be the meaning of?
You forbade.
You forbade. Very good. Next word was fataha. Haika, can you tell, Manal, can you tell me the meaning of fataha? He opened. He opened. He got victory. Also, he decided. There are three meanings of this word. What is the meaning of rafa'a?
Manal?
He raised. Hassan, what is the meaning of zahaba?
He went.
He went. Can you do the TPA for zahaba?
Zahaba, zahabu, zahabta, zahabtum, zahabtu, zahabna, yazhabu, yazhabuna, tazhabu, tazhabuna, azhabu, nazhabu.
Azhabu, nazhabu. So if I say, what is the meaning of azhabu?
I went, or I will go, or I will go.
I go or I, and tazhabu?
You go, or you will go.
Yazhabu?
He goes, or he will go.
He goes or he will go. Good. Let's now go to our today's lesson. So we have learned mazi and mudare, how to make mazi and mudare. Today we will learn how to make amr and nahi, nahyan, fi'lul amr or fi'lul nahi. So if you do order somebody, so you would usually order to a person who is sitting in front of you. So the order is usually for second person. You see, this taf'alu or taf'aluna would be used in making this order. So taf'alu means you do or you will do. So what I will do, what the changes I will do in this taf'alu here. So the last letter has a pesh. We would put jazm on it. And also we will remove ta on the first letter. And then we will add hamza with zair in the beginning. So it becomes if'al, if'al. So tafalu, if'al. If'al means do. If'al is a command, it is an amr, do. So similarly, we can also make nahi or forbidding. Taf'alu, from taf'alu, we do the same thing. The last letter gets jazm and we just put la before that. La taf'al. Okay. So from taf'alu say it becomes if'al for ordering, for commanding, and for forbidding it becomes la taf'al. So la taf'al. So this is the Amr and Nahi table here. If'al, you do. La taf'al, you do not do. So if I have to make for plural, I would just add waw at the end with the spoon. If'alu, you all do. And similarly, la taf'alu, you all do not do. So if'al, do. La taf'al, do not do. If'alu, you all do. La taf'alu, you all do not do. If I have a word ja'ala here, ja'ala, what it would be? So fa'ala becomes if'al. Ja'ala would become ij'al. La taj'al. And ij'alu, la taj'alu. Okay? Similarly, fataha, fataha he opened. Iftah, la taftah. Iftahu, la taftahu. Okay? What was the other word? Zahaba. Izhab. La tazhab. Izhabu. La tazhabu. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Quran to Musa alayhi salam, Izhab ila fir'auna innahu tagha. Izhab is used there. Izhab. Okay, so this is the process to make Amr and Nahi. Then there are also other forms that we can add like fa'il. Fa'il is a doer, the one who does something. Fa'ala, fa'il. And its plural is fa'ilun, fa'ilin. And maf'ul is an object on which something is done, is maf'ul. And its plural is maf'ulun, maf'ulin. And this masdar is called verbal noun. It is the basic or fundamental word from which all the other words are derived. So it has all the root letters in it. Fa, ain, lam. Fi'l. Fi'l means to do. So these are the complete table. So amr, nahi, then fa'il, maf'ul, and masdar. So what would be the fa'il for ja'ala? Fa'ala becomes fa'il. Ja'ala becomes Hassan?
Ja'al.
Ja'il. And plural would be ja'ilun, ja'ilin. And what would be the maf'ul of ja'ala? Maj'ul. Maj'ul. Maj'ulun, maj'ulin. And masdar is ja'al. Ja'al is the masdar, verbal noun. Okay. Similarly, fataha. Fataha, Hassan. Fataha means he opened. What would be the amr?
Fatih.
Iftah. Amr. Iftah. Nahi. La.
La taftah.
And amr plural.
Iftahu.
Nahi plural.
La taftahu.
Fa'il.
Fatih.
And plural.
Fatihun. Fatihin.
Maf'ul.
Maftuh.
Plural.
Maftuhun. Maftuhin.
And masdar is
Fath.
fathun. Yeah. Fatha. Fathun. If I put jama'a here, what is amr? Ij'al. Hassan? Ij'al. And nahi is? Oh, sorry, ijma'a. Ijma'. Jama'a, he gathered. So amr would be ijma'. And nahi would be la tajma'. And amr plural would be ijma'u. Then nahi plural would be la tajma'u. And what is fa'il, Hassan? Jami'. Jami'. Jami'un. Jami'in. And maf'ul?
Majmu'.
Majmu'. Majmu'un. Majmu'un is plural. And masdar is jama'. Jama' is the masdar. So using this TPI, we can just take one word and then we can make these all variations. Because these all variations are used in Quran a lot. So based on just one word, if we know the basic word, fa'ala, mazi word, we can make all those variations of the word. And for example, if we do not know the word, if we know this table, we can reach to the meaning also. So this is the simplified table here. So we will do the TPI of all the words today, inshallah, and we will also try to figure out the meanings of those words here. So let's do fa'ala. All together we will do fa'ala. Fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'alna. يفعل يفعلون تفعل تفعلون أفعل نفعل افعل لا تفعل افعلوا لا تفعلوا فاعل فاعلون فاعلين مفعول مفعولون مفعولين فعل. Next word is جعل. جعل means he made. جعل, he made. جعل جعلوا جعلت جعلتم جعلت جعلنا يجعل يجعلون تجعل تجعلون أجعل نجعل اجعل لا تجعل اجعلوا لا تجعلوا جاعل جاعلون جاعلين مجعول مجعولون مجعولين جعل. Next word is fataha. Fataha means he opened, he decided, he got victory. There are three meanings. So if we put this fataha on this template, so it would be fataha, fatahu, fatahta, fatahtum, fatahtu, fatahna, yaftahu, yaftahuna, taftahu, taftahuna, aftahu, naftahu, iftah, لا تفتح افتحوا لا تفتحوا فاتح فاتحون فاتحين مفتوح مفتوحون مفتوحين فتح. So Fateh, if I say the meaning of Fateh, it becomes the one who opens. Fatiha. Fatiha is a feminine. That is the one who opens. So Surah Fatiha is called the Surah Fatiha because it opens the Qur'an. It is feminine gender. Next word is Jama'a. Jama'a means he, Hassan?
Gathered.
He gathered. So let's put this Jama'a here on this template. Jama'a, Jama'u, Jama'ata, Jama'atum, Jama'atu, Jama'ana, Yajma'u, Yajma'una, Tajma'u, Tajma'una, Ajma'u, Najma'u. اجمع لا تجمع اجمعوا لا تجمعوا جامع جامعون جامعين مجموع مجموعون مجموعين جمع جمع is the master. So جامع جامع, the one who gathers is جامع. جامعون جامعين is the plural of the اجمع, gather. اجمع is an order. And la tajma is forbidding. Don't gather. Ijma'u, you all gather. La tajma'u, you all do not gather. And majmu is the thing that is gathered. Majmu. Okay, majmu'un, majmu'in is the plural forms. So if I have to say I will gather, I would say ajma'u. Okay. Similarly, we will gather or we gather, it would be najma'u. If I have to say I gathered, then what would be here? Jama'atu. Jama'atu, like fa'altu. Okay, jama'ana, we gathered. Another thing is this taf'alu I have highlighted as red. So taf'alu, this word is used as you do or you will do. It also means she does or she will do. So this word is used for both feminine, feminine she, and masculine you, singular. Okay. So it's also important that the same word, but for example here it would be taj'alu. Taj'alu would be you do, you will do, or she does also. Taftahu would be you open or you will open. Similarly, she opens also. Similarly, tajma'u, also you gather, you will gather, or she gathers. So that's just a thing that you can remember easily, that this word is used for she also. Same word, whatever it fits here. Okay. So any questions for today's lesson?
No.
Okay, let's finish then. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك ونشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت ونستغفرك ونتوب إليك.